Good morning, sir. We are the Group 4, and this is our presentation titled Navigating the Future, Autonomous Ships, Technological Advancement, and Ethical Considerations. In this presentation, we will explore the technological advancement driving the shift toward autonomous ships, the regulatory challenges that need to be addressed for their widespread adoption, and the ethical consideration that must guide their integration into global shipping operations. By examining this, we can better understand the potential of autonomous vessels and the profound impact they may have on the future of the maritime industry and society at large.
Introduction. Autonomous ships are revolutionizing the maritime industry by leveraging advanced technologies like AI, sensors, and data systems to operate with minimal or no human intervention. As these vessels progress, regulatory frameworks such as those developed by the International Maritime Organization or IMO are essential to address safety, security, and accountability concerns. Beyond technology and regulation, ethical considerations, including job displacement for seafarers and societal impact of automation, must be carefully evaluated to ensure a balanced and responsible transition to autonomous shipping.
Autonomous ships. Autonomous ship is a vessel that can operate independently with little or human intervention, using advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, sensors, and automated control system. Um, these ships are designed to navigate, detect obstacles, and make real-time decisions without direct human oversight. The development of autonomous ship aims to improve safety, reduce human error, and enhance efficiency in maritime transport.
Autonomous vessel technology regulatory frameworks. Autonomous vessel technology relies on advanced systems like artificial intelligence or AI, sensor arrays, radar, LiDAR, GPS, and real-time data processing to enable ships to operate with minimal or no human intervention. These technologies improve navigation, obstacle detection, and decision making, enhancing efficiency and safety by reducing human error.
GitHub next.
As this technology evolves, regulatory frameworks are essential to ensure safe and responsible deployment. The International Maritime Organization (IMO) is developing guidelines for maritime autonomous surface ship mass, addressing issues like collisions, avoidance, liability, cybersecurity, and environmental protection. Various countries are also creating national policies to support the integration of autonomous vessels.
In summary, while autonomous vessel technology offers the significant benefits, effective regulation are necessary to manage safety, accountability, and ethical challenges for widespread adoption in the maritime industry.
For the ethical considerations and societal impact of autonomous ships, the rise of autonomous ships brings significant ethical challenges and societal implications that must be addressed to ensure responsible adoption. Number one is job displacement. Job displacement is one of the pressing concerns is the potential loss of job for seafarers as autonomous vessels require fewer or no crew members. thousands of maritime workers may face unemployed, affecting livelihoods and economical dependent on shipping industries. Ensuring retraining programs and alternative employment paths is crucial to mitigate this impact.
Number two, safety accountability. Safety accountability in the event of accident involving an autonomous ship. Question arise about liability and accountability. Determining who is responsible, the ship owner, software developer, or AL system. Pose a legal and ethical challenge. Clear guidelines on responsibility are essential to ensure fairness and justice.
Number 3, ethical decision making. Ethical decision making autonomous systems may encounter situations requiring critical decisions, example, collision avoidance, deciding whose safety takes priority unavoidable incidents. Crew or avoiding environmental damage, introduce complex ethical determine transparency in the decision-making process of AI systems is necessary.
Cybersecurity and privacy. Privacy, autonomous ships rely on interconnected digital system, making them vulnerable to cyber attack. Ethical concern arise around the protecting sensitive data and ensuring vessels cannot be hacked and malicious purposes, posing risk to human safety cargo security.
Number 5, impact on communities. Ports, coastal communities, and industries that rely on traditional shipping may be disrupted. The shift of autonomous ship could reduce local economic activity, affecting businesses that support seafarers while increasing the need for high-tech infrastructures.
And lastly, environmental considerations. While autonomous ships may optimize routes for fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, ethical questions arise around the environmental impact of developing, maintaining, and disposing of high-tech equipment and infrastructure. In conclusion, the transition to autonomous ships must be balanced technological progress with ethical responsibility to minimize harm to individuals and society while promoting fairness, transparency, and sustainability.
Um, that's end our presentation, sir. Thank you and God bless.